Hey everyone, it's Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Micron Technologies. This is ticker MU. Now, MU announced earnings last night and the stock gapped up this morning. Actually did really well. Held the gap and did it on higher than average volume. So if you weren't aware of this, I just want to bring it to your attention because anytime you see a stock gap, hold the gap and do it on good volume, and then especially close, near the highs, I actually think that that's a stock you want to pay attention to because they had an opportunity to sell it off. And they didn't. The bulls liked it. So we have a breakout here on the daily chart. And if I flip to a weekly chart, you can see it's continuing this long cup pattern that it started building back in 2022. Semiconductors and technology, not really where you want it to be in 2022, but you can see that we've rounded the corner, we've turned the stock around, and now it's just kind of creeping towards the highs and making a new weekly high. So that's the thing that I like to pay attention to. I want to make sure that we have confluence on the weekly chart and the daily chart, and honestly, both of these look good. So in my opinion, this is definitely a stock you want to keep on a watch list. So that's just one of many stocks we're watching and trading over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want to find out what else we're doing, be sure and take a trial. Click that link, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.